You watch one cooking clip. 10 minutes later, the feed serves obscure niche content, fermentation, regional street food, tiny kitchen gadgets, without you following a single creator. The For You page feels psychic. It is actually a rapid testing engine updating your interest labels every few swipes. Myth: the app reads your thoughts, or one video locks you in forever. Reality: cold start tests throw diverse clips, measure watch time and rewatches in seconds, then update cluster labels continuously. You can escape a lane by skipping, but engagement teaches the model faster than intention. New accounts and fresh sessions start blind. The system batches candidate videos across genres, comedy, dance, news, hobbies, and watches what you finish. Early swipes are experiments. Your first minute is less personalization than laboratory sampling with you as the sensor. Watch time is the dominant signal. Did you stay, replay, or swipe in 2 seconds? Rewatches scream interest. Skips starve distribution instantly. Unlike follow-based networks, every clip fights on its own merits in the next auction for your thumb. Each swipe triggers micro-experiments, similar clips with different hooks, lengths, or creators. The model compares outcomes in near real time. That is how 10 minutes of cooking views narrows to a hyper-specific subgenre faster than you consciously decided you cared. The system cannot score every upload globally each second. It samples batches of candidates, fresh viral clips, niche tags, regional pools, scores them against your current profile, and serves the top few. Batching keeps the feed instant while models run in the background. Interest cluster labels update every few videos. Cooking, ASMR, finance tips, pet chaos. Labels are probabilistic, not permanent. Watch one oddball clip to completion and a new cluster gains weight. Skip 3 in a row and it fades before you notice the shift. Following is optional. Discovery does not wait for you to curate a list. Creators reach strangers purely on clip performance, which democratizes breakout moments, but also means your feed is only loosely tied to people you chose. The follow button modulates, not defines, the experience. Speed creates the uncanny feeling. Labels update within minutes. Billions of swipes train global models continuously. A micro-niche video uploaded today can land on your phone tonight if early watchers with profiles like yours stayed glued. No curator, no subscription required. Long press not interested, reset search history, follow creators to biased lanes, or simply skip aggressively. The model chases engagement. Starving a cluster works slower than feeding one, but you are not locked after a single accidental watch. Cold start tests. Watch time and rewatches rule. Batches scored in real time. Cluster labels shift every few clips. No follow graph required. Not mind reading. Relentless measurement of your thumb. The For You page is a laboratory that never closes. Subscribe for more platform mechanics, feeds, servers, and money flows drawn clearly, told calmly. Your For You page was tested and ranked, not random. This is Platform Sketch.